How to change audio language in YouTube videos. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can actually change the audio language on YouTube videos, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to actually change the audio language on YouTube videos, it's actually quite very simple to do. Now, but this question really depends upon who uploaded that video and whether or not the video has dual language. So for example, Mr. Beast's videos actually has dual language. So more than 2 or 3 he dubs it for all. Previously he used to have separate channels, but YouTube rolled out that feature. So if you opened up Mr. Beast videos over here, I'll just skip the ads here. What you'll find is if you tap on the gear icon from the top right, you can actually choose to change the audio track. So it just really depends upon whether or not that person who uploaded the video has added dual or multiple audios or not. If not, then you will not find it. If yes, then you'll definitely find it. So this is how you can change audio language in YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.